Influencer marketing has exploded in recent years. It's gone from a small niche to a major force in the marketing world. Brands are shifting away from traditional advertisements. Now they collaborate with online personalities who have large followings. These online personalities are known as influencers. Influencers can be celebrities or just everyday people. What truly matters is the trust they build with their audience. When influencers endorse a product, their followers pay attention. This makes influencer marketing incredibly powerful. The numbers don't lie. The influencer market is massive and continues to grow rapidly. In 2022, it was valued at $16.4 billion. That's double what it was just 3 years earlier, showing remarkable growth, and it's only going to get bigger as more brands recognize its potential. Authenticity is key in the influencer world. In today's digital age, audiences crave genuine connections and real stories. People can spot a fake from a mile away. They are quick to dismiss content that feels inauthentic or overly scripted. They want real recommendations, not forced ads. Genuine endorsements resonate more and build trust over time. That's why long-term partnerships are becoming more common. These collaborations allow influencers to integrate products seamlessly into their content. Brands and influencers are building real relationships. This mutual trust leads to more authentic and effective marketing. This leads to more genuine endorsements. When influencers truly believe in a product, their followers can tell. It's not just about a one-time post anymore. Consistent and ongoing content helps maintain engagement and trust. It's about trust and connection. Engaging with followers regularly strengthens the bond between influencers and their audience. Another trend is the rise of micro-influencers. These individuals may have smaller followings, but their audiences are highly engaged and loyal. These are people with smaller followings, but they have a very engaged audience. Their content often feels more personal and relatable. They often get better results than big celebrities. Their authenticity and close-knit communities drive higher engagement rates. And they're more affordable for brands too. This makes them an attractive option for companies with smaller marketing budgets. Data is also changing the game. With advanced analytics, influencers and brands can track performance and optimize their strategies. Influencers and brands are using data to understand their audience better. This helps them tailor their content to meet audience preferences. They can see what works and what doesn't. This continuous feedback loop allows for constant improvement and refinement. This helps them create more effective campaigns. By leveraging data, they can craft content that truly resonates with their audience. Technology is revolutionizing influencer marketing. New AI platforms are popping up everywhere. These platforms connect brands with the right influencers. They also help manage campaigns and track results. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Virtual influencers are another big trend. These are AI-powered characters that promote products online. They offer a lot of control for brands, but remember, nothing beats the human touch. People connect with real emotions and stories. The best influencer marketing strategies use technology and human connection together. What's next for influencer marketing? The landscape is evolving rapidly, and it's exciting to see where it's headed. Get ready for e-commerce to explode. With influencers at the forefront, online shopping is becoming more personalized and engaging. Influencers will become even more important in online shopping. Their reviews and recommendations will drive purchasing decisions like never before. We'll see more shoppable content. Imagine scrolling through your feed and being able to buy what you see instantly. This means you can buy products directly from an influencer's post. Talk about easy. It's a seamless shopping experience. Influencer marketing will also become part of bigger content strategies. Brands will integrate influencers into their overall marketing plans. It won't be a separate thing anymore. Influencers will be a key component in comprehensive marketing campaigns. Brands will use influencers across all their marketing efforts. From social media to traditional advertising, influencers will be everywhere. But most importantly, it's about community. Influencers excel at creating a sense of belonging among their followers. Influencers are great at building communities around their content. They foster genuine connections with their audience. This is super valuable for brands. It leads to authentic engagement and trust. It creates loyal customers who trust the influencer's recommendations. This loyalty translates into long-term brand success. So the future is all about connection, authenticity, and community. Influencers will continue to shape the way we shop and interact online.